Yo guys, it's Orlando with Max Auto Detailing and I'm back with another video guys, and today we're going to be detailing for Pinnacle again guys, and today we're going to be doing a party bus. So you guys give me a quick second, let me get everything set up. We'll turn you guys back on so you can see the product. Okay guys, this is the party bus for Pinnacle guys. Now let me take you guys on the inside. First, let me do a full walk around of the vehicle so you guys can see that. Yes. As you guys can see, they have multiple vehicles for us to do. And when I mean multiple, I mean over 40 cars, guys. So if you guys need a city-to-city tour bus or whatever you want to do for the family or a game, whatever you want to do, they got everything you need right there. But let's get back on the topic. This is what we working on today. This is Pinnacle Car Services Inc. Go look them up, guys. If you need to rent anything, party buses for your loved ones, birthday parties, anything like that, this would be the go-to, guys. So this is what we working on. Yes, as you can see, it's pretty long. It's a nice size. So I'm gonna take you guys on the inside so y'all can see what's going on. So y'all know we got the show out. Max Auto is live in effect, baby. We is out here. We is making noise. Tell a friend, tell a family member, because we on the way with or without you. This is the inside, guys. As you can see, it need our full blessings on it. Stepping on up. Oh my God, look at that there. Look at that there, guys. For your party needs. Birthday parties, bachelorette parties, you know, any of those type of things, guys, they will take care of you. So this is what we working on today, guys. And Nathan, you got anything you want to tell the people?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to make sure we get you taken care of here at Max Auto.
Y'all give me a second, let me turn the camera around so you guys can check out the finished results. Let's go. This is the finished product, guys. This is the party bus from Pinnacle. Look at those wheels, guys. Oh my God. Y'all need to book Max Auto Detail as soon as possible, guys. Check out that bus, baby. She is shined up and ready to go. So, guys, let me go ahead and get you on this inside. Get you on this inside. Y'all, come on. Come on and follow me. Let me show y'all how Max Auto do it. Go ahead and check those wheels out for them one more time before we go on the inside. Okay, guys. This thing is so clean, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shoes off to even get on this bus. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna take my shoes off so I don't track up the work that we just done. Let's go. Take you guys on here. I wish y'all could smell it through the phone because it smells so amazing in here, guys. So let me get that. Let me show them a little bit. So, guys, this is the inside of the party bus. So if you guys want to book this for your family or a bachelorette party, you guys make sure to book Pinnacle Car Services Inc, guys. Make sure you got a good old cooler over there for you guys to put all your cold beverages in there that you need. Yes, yes. Smell it through the phone. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells like cherries up in here. So, guys, once again, this is the finished result of the party bus, guys. And I must say, this thing is nice. Look at that. If the flow so clean, you can see my footprints on the floor. Hello, world. Come on and book with us as soon as possible, guys. So, y'all give me a second. Let me get off of here, and I can talk a little bit more with you guys. You said?
Like tea, flowers.
Love the way it smells, don't it?
Yep.
I just had to get your reaction on camera so the people can see. Max Auto did such a great job, they don't even want to leave it outside, guys. They're going to pull it on the garage. Once again, guys, book with us, Max Auto Detailing. Okay, guys, we're finally done with the party bus from Pinnacle Service. You guys want to book this party bus, make sure to go online. I got to talk a little bit loud, y'all, because this diesel is rolling behind me. So I hope you guys like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to this channel. Until the next video, we're going to see you guys. Peace.